Alright, I got my second StogieBird here. Let's find out what's inside. Pretty excited for this package. Of course, looks great again. Would help if I can grab the little sticker. That'd probably be good. Go. Ooh, looks like it's a little brighter color, maybe. Well, maybe the same. Let's open this bad boy up. Looks like we switched out the stickers on the side. They're labeled StogieBird as well. So you see that there. The tops are a lot easier to open this time around, which is really nice. I like it versus the white tops. The black tops are nice. Now let's see what we got in the bag. The EP Corolla. Ooh, Camacho, the throwback. Ooh, StogieBird wrapped. I don't know what this individual one is. It's a kind of a nice little surprise. Let's take a look. Oh, the American Rebel. Can't go wrong with that. Cody Rhodes' new cigar with Kaz, All Elite Wrestling. There we go. I'm really excited for that cigar right there. What else we got in here? Grand Habano Vintage 2002. Good cigar. And then, if I recall correctly, this is going to be a Matt Booth Namakubi based on the outside wrapper. Let's see. Yeah, it's Room 101. Awesome. Another great package, great packaging. Yet again, Sam Leccia, thank you.